Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Tehzeeb Khan from Paradise Hope. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your Firebase with ESP8266. I know you are facing lots of error, you are watching like lots of videos on YouTube, but you are not able to connect your ESP8266 with Firebase. Now in this video I will show you the method how you can connect. This is code I will provide in comment section. You can put code in your ESP. First of all, you need to verify your board. So you need to go in a board manager, or you need to install ESP8266. Before, you need to add link JSON link of ESP8266 stable version. I will provide this link also in a comment section. After this, you need to go in board section. Inside the board, you need to type ESP8266. Now here you need to make sure you need to install version 2 point, means you need to install 2 point something something. Don't need to install any latest version. You can install any 2 point version, then it is work. Okay, if I install like 3 latest version 3.1.2, you can see I am getting one error. I will show you what kind of error I am getting. So now it is compiling. Now after some time they will throw me one error. You can see I am getting this error. So you need to resolve this. You need to update your version, ESP8266 version. So it is something like 2 point something. You can install any 2 point version. I am using here 2.7.4. You can install 2.6 on any something else. Okay, now it is done. So here I am firstly I will show you the my real-time database. It is my database. Here is I am putting my URL here and authentication key, right? So now I am, first of all I am open to my Wi-Fi connection. So here I go to my phone and now open this. Now I will reset my ESP8266. You will see after some time I will connect to my Wi-Fi. So if not, you need to restart your Wi-Fi. Now it is connected to my Wi-Fi. So you can see I am getting 999 value because I am putting here 99 value. So if I put 111, so I will get here in serial port 111. Okay, here you can see I am using this function firebase.getInt because my data type is int, and that value I am getting here. So now I need to use this variable as a pump. You can see here pump. Now I will show you next thing. You need to install 2 libraries. Which libraries? You need to install Firebase Arduino libraries and Arduino JSON.h. I will provide you in comment section. I will provide you in when you comment me in this video, and you can also message me on Instagram. I will provide these libraries. If libraries version are mismatched, you will definitely get the error, or you are not able to uh, mm, complete your project successfully, because due to these libraries you will facing lots of error. So that library you need to put in go to the inside a library, add zip. Those 2 libraries I will provide you when you message me Instagram or comment section. I will give you that libraries. You need to put those zip from here. Okay, whatever it is your location. So thank you so much for this video. Please subscribe my channel. Those will subscribe my channel, I will provide that libraries with you. So please message me on Instagram follow me on Instagram or subscribe my this channel. Thank you so much for your support. Have a nice